Like I said, guys, the education side of this is really important. There is a lot of real deep research on understanding why the goal setting process works and the fact that that increases the effectiveness and the efficacy of that goal setting process. So why does it work? Well, it directs our attention to the important elements of the skill. If your goal is to do a 100 kilo back squat, then you go, okay, so what needs to happen to do that? Well, I need to buy a pair of lifting shoes. My legs need to be stronger. My ankle mobility is an issue at the moment. I'm falling forward, so I need to be working on that. It directs your attention to the path, the process that needs to be taken to get to that goal. It increases your efforts. As soon as you put a goal on paper, as soon as you set something down, you're then going to try harder to do that. If you didn't have a goal to squat 100 kilos, you're probably not going to be working any harder to try and squat 100 kilos. Once you have a goal, the process is in place, it will increase your efforts. Makes you more persistent. Things go wrong, you hit those inevitable peaks and troughs. Things go wrong in the troughs and you go, it's okay, I'm going to come out of it. I'm going to stick with this because this is something that I've set my mind to. I'm going to stay with it. They foster the development of new learning strategies. Okay, well, I tried this for my squats. That didn't work. What if I try this? Maybe this, hang on, nailed it. I've found my strategy that's going to work. It opens up your eyes, takes the blinkers off, and you look for some different options. And it changes your psychological state. Again, elements that we've talked about already, your confidence, anxiety levels, and then satisfaction when you do achieve that goal.